need to find the maximum subarray as well as the maximum subsequence. So what we have done in previous question was similar as that, but here we need to find the maximum subsequence. Maximum subsequence is nothing but the sum of all array if it is positive, and if it is not positive, the element are not continuously positive, then we will return the maximum of the negative one only. And if it all the element are positive and it is returning a positive sum, then we will return that. So what we basically do, we need to do like that previous question what we have done, like Kadane algorithm. So we need to have current sum as ARR of 0 and the maximum subarray as ARR of 0, and here we need to store the sequence, so we will take it as ARR of 0. So we need to take a for loop from int I equals to 0, I equal to 1 to equal to ARR of size. So we will check if ARR of I plus current sub is greater than ARR of I. Then what we gonna do, we need to store it in current sub as ARR of I plus current sub, else we will remain the same, we will don't change anything, we will store the current sub ARR of I only. And we need to check if condition one more time. We need to check multiple condition here, like if current sum is greater than the sequence is greater than the maximum of the subsequence what we have already. If it is maximum subsequence, maximum subarray, then we will store maximum subarray as the current sum, because ultimately we want maximum subarray as the maximum, it should be maximum. And if we get like this condition, then we will store it. And we need to check if ARR of I is positive, we need to store it in a subsequence sequence we need to prepare. So what we gonna do, we need to have a basic condition which is positive. If it is negative, then we will store it like simple array, or if it is positive, then we need to add all the element. So what here we are checking if ARR of is positive and the subsequence is also positive, because what we got in first condition, like the index 0, what we get if like positive integer, then we will, what we gonna do, we need to store the sequence as ARR of I, we need to add all the element along with that. Both condition will be true, then it will add as it should be positive, we want positive sum of all the array. So what we gonna do, else if condition we will check if it is less than, if ARR of I is greater than sequence and the maximum subsequence, the sequence is greater than 0. If it is negative, this is a condition for negative. So we will, what we gonna do, we gonna do like we will simply store that array value in the sequence, and here we will return that both maximum subarray as well as the sequence. Need to submit this code. So here we get the all test case pass. Thank you.